Hello peoples! Today we refitted and reinstalled new tires on our Volvo 850 as the old ones were completely ridden off. We repaired the fuel door because the hinge was broken, realigned the front left door as that was a bit saggy and did not close properly. We inspected the exhaust to see where the leaks are and what parts need to be replaced to pass the MOT, and we finished some other minor tasks. Now let's dig right in! Well, these are definitely not the best tires, but they will do for now. Alright, let's put some new rubber on our 850.
We hebben nog weinig lucht. Kniptang.
Profile on that one ain't too bad. Wow.
Stuk.
They've been on there for over 10 years, so...
Stuk.
It's pretty old rubber.
Whoa. Sounds solid.
It's number one.
New ventile.
What do you call that?
Tire filler up plug.
That's the ventile out.
This one's shorter.
Alright, so we're gonna need the
Mid.
mid-size ventiles.
Trying to get off this old lead. Well, they balance the wheel opposite almost. It's not very effective.
Indeed, it's not. So we should clean these rims, but I was still not quite sure if we're gonna replace them entirely or if we're gonna restore them as well, because we do like the look of those rims. We would prefer a 16-inch, but...
Maybe 17?
17?
Maybe?
We do need to have a little bit of comfort, right?
Yes.
Well, we got the tires now for these rims. We're gonna put them on there just to get the car road legal, and we're gonna look at what we're gonna do after that. Maybe replace the entire rims, not sure yet. For now, this'll do.
Ambition Saus muss sein.
Soße. Alright, let's put that new tire on there.
But first, some grease. These have a turn indicator, rotation.
Violence!
Two and a half. So now we're gonna balance the tire. Hoeveel J is deze, jongen? 6,5 J. I have a 15 inch. 6,5 J. Hier komt de... 15 and 0. That's not bad. 5, 5 and 5 is 15.
True.
Now we need to go down. So now it's centered. So you look over here, you see the middle line of the rim, you know. So now let's see if it's balanced. 0 and 0. Very nice.
Alright, let's do 4 more.
So, in case you ever get the opportunity to replace your own tires, it's just a matter of taking the wheel off your car, let the air out of the tire, remove the tire from the rim,
Wow.
remove the old tire valve, install new tire valve, remove old weights, install new tire, put air in the tire, set correct values, check the balance, and add any weights where necessary. And there you go. Now simply repeat the process for your other wheels.
Alright, and that is all 4 tires replaced. Gotta say, now with those new tires on, she does look a little bit healthier again. It's a shame about those bad looking rims for now, but hey, we're getting there. So we also got new blinkers for the sides. Right on.
Well, we said we were not going to improve the looks of the car before finishing all technical work, but I really can't stand orange turn indicator covers. So yeah, there you go.
Nice. It's a better result, clear and clear. Right, so we got that new fuel cap hinge. This one's, yeah, it's broken. Let's replace that as well. Plastic looks real cheap.
Why isn't it just metal?
Hold it. Because I'm gonna let go.
It was a bit too late. Secure?
It feels, but this isn't right yet.
No, it's all bent.
The whole thing is crooked, yeah.
Oh, plastic.
I know. This is really crappy. Right, so we bend it a little bit back into shape. Lock it. That is locked. Let's not go. Oh yeah, now it opens. So, that works as well. Nice.
So this door is not closing properly.
So we inspected the exhaust and found 2 leaks. One right at the clamp where the muffler meets the pipe going to the cat, and one at the heel shield attached to the end pipe. Luckily that whole part from the clamp to the end is made out of one piece, and so we'll be replacing just that for now.
So we did visit a smaller junkyard and we did find some smaller pieces. Gas cap, the pressure flap thing, and the new window guidance. That came off a S70, which is the same, so yeah, good quick visit. We also got this rear trim piece, well, rear floor piece, off of a other Volvo enthusiast. Thank you, Erik. But we need to clean that a little bit. So yeah, let's do that.
HG bekledigingsreiniger. Begrippen da.
need to clean that fuel filler cap as well. Alright, now we got a original Volvo fuel filler cap back.
Hopefully it fits, because it's also from the S70.
That's true. Yeah, we'll see about that, but at least it's good as new. Alright, and that is all we could do today. So, thanks for watching, and see you the next time.